Welcome to Secrets of the Eternal. Explore the truths and mysteries of the universe. Imagine waking up one morning to headlines about a discovery that shakes the core of everything we thought we knew. A non-human object detected by the James Webb Space Telescope just 9/10 of a light year away, and it's on a direct course toward Earth. But this isn't simply a drifting piece of cosmic debris. No, it appears to be making course corrections, as though it's being steered. Could this be some sort of colossal spaceship? Or, as some speculate, could it even be the gods, the ones humanity worshipped for thousands of years, returning? In today's episode on Secrets of the Eternal, we'll dive into the most mind-boggling theories surrounding this revelation, decipher the signals being emitted from this enigmatic object, and uncover whether humanity truly stands on the brink of a once-in-a-lifetime encounter that will forever alter our destiny. Let's start with the James Webb Space Telescope. Hailed as humanity's most advanced observational tool, the discoveries it has made over recent years border on the fantastical. Stunning glimpses of galaxies billions of light years away, previously unseen star systems, and entire worlds that could hold the ingredients for life. However, what it seems to have uncovered now overshadows everything. Reports and rumors are swirling. An intelligent unknown object has been detected approaching our Earth. And it's not just an ordinary object. It emits signals suggestive of communication and demonstrates patterns of targeted movement. For many, this solidifies one shocking possibility. It is being actively controlled. What could that mean for us? Among the theories, some scientists claim the signals from the object may not be random noise. Instead, they appear to hint at communication, perhaps even a message. Could it be that aliens, beings from another world, are trying to establish contact? And why now, of all moments in human history? Others propose an even more astonishing idea. The object resembles an enormous spacecraft, eerily similar to depictions in classic science fiction. Unlike natural celestial bodies, this object appears to accelerate and decelerate, altering its trajectory intentionally. The sophistication of its movements raises pressing questions. Who or what is aboard? And are their intentions peaceful, curious, or something unimaginable? Further deepening the enigma is an alleged response from the US government. Whispers of secret emergency sessions in Congress have circulated, with sources claiming the discovery led to immediate and confidential discussions among high-ranking officials. But why the secrecy? Could it be part of a deliberate strategy to obscure the truth, perhaps to prevent widespread fear? It wouldn't be the first time rumors of government knowledge about extraterrestrial life have captured the public's imagination. Some even speculate that global leaders have known about alien civilizations for decades and are slowly preparing humanity for full disclosure. If true, this mystery might not just be about the object in space, but also about how our own planet's authorities are choosing to handle this earth-shattering revelation. Yet some thinkers are exploring a perspective that delves far deeper into human history. Rather than seeing the object as an alien starship, they ask, could this be a return of the gods? Across countless cultures, Greek, Egyptian, Mesopotamian, and beyond, mythology is filled with tales of celestial visitors. These beings, often described with godlike qualities, were said to descend from the heavens to teach and guide humanity. In Greek mythology, for instance, Mount Olympus was the home of deities who occasionally descended to walk among mortals. Similarly, ancient Sumerian and Mayan texts speak of a prophesied day when higher beings would return to Earth. Are we now witnessing a moment that was foreseen in these ancient stories, misunderstood for centuries? Or is it possible that what these cultures described as gods were, in reality, advanced extraterrestrial civilizations, beings our ancestors couldn't comprehend with their limited knowledge of science and technology? The parallels to science fiction are unmistakable. From Arthur C. Clarke's 2001, A Space Odyssey, to films like The Day the Earth Stood Still, humanity has long imagined what a first encounter with another, far superior civilization might look like. Many of these fictional stories describe enormous ships, deliberate communications, and the momentous revelation that we are not alone. And while those stories remain fictional, there have already been whispers in our own reality, like the passing of the elongated interstellar object Oumuamua through our solar system back in 2017. At the time, some scientists suggested it might be an artificial probe, a perspective hotly debated to this very day. Is this new mystery object the next piece in a cosmic puzzle? One that humanity has barely begun to understand? In this video, we'll explore what this astronomical discovery means for us all. From unraveling the object's curious signals to interpreting humanity's myths and the response of governments, we're about to dive into the unknown. So stay with us, as this journey through wonder and possibility is just beginning in the unparalleled arena of secrets of the eternal, where we explore truths and mysteries of the universe. Expanding on the mystery, some researchers point to the theory that this object may represent more than just aliens. It may signify the return of the gods as described in ancient lore. Greek mythology, for instance, paints a vivid picture of Mount Olympus, the home of the gods who occasionally intervened in human affairs. These legends speak of a time when the gods might one day return to Earth. Similarly, Egyptian and Mesopotamian mythology share accounts of celestial beings descending from the stars to guide humanity in monumental ways. Could this object be tied to those stories? Could what people of ancient civilizations interpreted as divine encounters have actually been contact with advanced extraterrestrial beings, their technologies misunderstood and revered as divine powers? The notion becomes even more compelling when we examine the texts of the Mayans, Sumerians, and other ancient cultures. Many of these civilizations left behind prophecies of the gods returning to Earth. If this mysterious object indeed represents such a return, it would mean that ancient predictions could be coming true in our modern era. But how does one reconcile these ancient accounts with today's scientific methodology? For answers, some look to the realm of science fiction. Stories of humanity's encounters with advanced civilizations have always fascinated us. Classics like The Day the Earth Stood Still or Arthur C. Clarke's 2001, A Space Odyssey imagined scenarios where superior beings reveal themselves, often aboard immense spacecraft that hover in orbit, their implications both stirring and unsettling. These fictional works pose philosophical questions. How would humanity react to such a revelation? How might it challenge our faith, our power structures, or even our understanding of reality? And sometimes, fiction and reality feel uncomfortably close. Consider Oumuamua, the mysterious interstellar object that passed through our solar system in 2017. Measuring at least 400 meters long and shaped like a thin, elongated fragment, its peculiar trajectory and speeds defied natural explanations. While most scientists believe it was a natural phenomenon, others speculated It could have been an artificial probe sent by an alien civilization. If some were willing to entertain these possibilities then, might this new object have similar implications, but with even more concrete evidence? After all, unlike Oumuamua, this object's proximity gives it a striking immediacy. The question now becomes, what awaits us? What does this discovery truly mean for humanity? Are we standing on the precipice of a historic encounter, a first contact with an extraterrestrial species? Or could this be a natural phenomenon entirely misunderstood by our current scientific interpretations? As of now, we can only speculate. What is certain, however, is that this discovery has ignited global intrigue. Teams of scientists across the planet are poring over the data, seeking to decode what this object is and why it appears to behave in ways that suggest intentionality. Is it here to observe, to communicate, or even to make contact? Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope, heralded as a monumental achievement in astronomy, continues to push the boundaries of what humanity knows about the universe. It has already given us breathtaking insights into distant galaxies, the birth of stars, and planetary systems far beyond our own. But what it might have uncovered now could be something truly extraordinary, or perhaps entirely fabricated. It is worth noting, however, that the claims surrounding this mysterious object lack official confirmation as of today, September 24th, 2024. There has been no verified scientific source or institution that has publicly identified such an object, nor corroboration of rumors regarding secret governmental meetings about extraterrestrial encounters. Most reports about the James Webb Space Telescope focus on its legitimate contributions to science, its ongoing exploration of cosmic phenomena, and the potential for discovering signs of life on distant exoplanets. The world of science often walks a fine line between groundbreaking discoveries and rampant speculation, and as always, verification is key. NASA and other reputable agencies remain the most reliable sources for updates on the telescope's findings. That said, whether these rumors turn out to be sensational or rooted in truth, they spark an important consideration. What would it mean for us if it were confirmed that we are not alone in the universe? Would it reshape the way we view our place in the cosmos? Could it answer questions that humankind has pondered for millennia about gods, life, and creation? Or would it open doors to even greater mysteries? As we await further updates, the universe continues to beckon us with its profound mysteries. Be sure to stay tuned to Secrets of the Eternal, where we tirelessly explore truths and mysteries of the universe. This is a conversation that is just beginning, and as new developments emerge, you won't want to miss what could be the greatest breakthrough of our time. The universe holds profound mysteries, and together we're just beginning to scratch the surface. Will we witness the greatest revelation in human history, or will these questions linger unanswered for generations to come? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, you won't want to miss a single step of this journey. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Secrets of the Eternal. Join us as we continue to explore the truths and mysteries of the universe. Let us know your thoughts. Aliens? Gods? Something else entirely? Share your theories in the comments. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies. Don't forget to like and subscribe.